Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Janelle Rosavan from the Philippines. I have a living partner and we have one daughter. Her age now is 6 years old and she'll also go to school now. I'm just a high school graduate and my past job was in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I've taken care the newborn baby there and 4 years old and 7 years old. I have working there for just 2 years and 4 months. Then I decide to come back in my country, which is in the Philippines. And now I decide to work abroad again, and I choose a country of Hong Kong because I heard the people there is nice and hospitable. I'm a reliable person, willing to learn many things and new things, and I'm a trustworthy, hardworking. Yeah, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Looking forward. Thank you and God bless.